Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've found yourself locked out of your TikTok account and are wondering how to get back in, especially with the latest updates for 2025, you're in the right place. TikTok has made some changes to account security, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This guide is perfect if your account was deactivated due to an activity, a policy violation, or even a temporary ban. First things first, open the TikTok app on your phone or head to the website on your computer. Log in with your original email, phone number, or username and password. If you can't remember your details, hit the Forgot Password option and follow the prompts to reset it. TikTok might send a verification code to your email or phone, so keep an eye out for that. Once you're in, if your account is deactivated, you'll see a message prompting you to reactivate. Simply click on the reactivation link or button. It could say something like, "Reactivate now." In 2025, TikTok has added an extra step for security. You'll need to verify your identity. This might involve confirming your age, providing a government ID, or answering questions about your account activity. Make sure all your information is up to date to avoid any delays. If your account was banned for a violation, things get a bit trickier. You'll need to appeal the decision through TikTok's support center. Go to the app's settings, find the help section, and submit an appeal form explaining why you think the ban was a mistake. Be polite and provide any necessary evidence, like screenshots. After reactivating, take a moment to review your account settings. Update your privacy options, enable two-factor authentication, and maybe even link it to your email for easier recovery next time. This will help prevent future issues. And there you have it. Your TikTok account should be back in action. If you run into any problems, double-check TikTok's official guidelines or reach out to their support. Thanks for watching, guys. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.